Hello, my lovely creator friends. Today we are bringing Christmas warmth into our home with something truly special, a homemade ornaments wreath made from simple, cheap, and recycling materials. You don't need expensive store decoration. All you need is imagination, love, and a few things already laying around your home. As we make this wreath, I will also tell you a small story. A story about kindness, simplicity, and how little things bring the biggest smiles. So grab your glue gun, some jute rope, pine cones, or ribbons, or even paper scrap, or some glitter and fancy paper. Once upon a winter evening, in a small cozy village, lived a woman named Anna. She did not have much money that year, no fancy gift, no new lights, but her heart was full of love for her family. As Christmas came closer, she wanted to make her home feel warm and festive. So she looked around her small cottage and found a few twigs, dry leaves, and some old fabric pieces, some glitter, and some old fancy papers, ribbons. She smiled and thought maybe I can still make something beautiful. With those little scraps, she started twisting the twigs into a circle, tying them with old ribbons and decorating them with dried berries. And just like that, her first homemade wreath was born, simple, imperfect, yet magical. So let's begin our own version of an wreath. Take a circle base. You can use an old cardboard ring, wire hangers, or even rolled newspaper. Wrap it tightly with your rope, yarn, or old fabric strip. This becomes your soft base where you will add all your decoration. Now let's add a bit of texture and color collection. Collect small pine cones, dried flower, paper roses, buttons, or even small ornaments from last year. Hot glue them around the ring in a balanced way, a mix of natural and colorful. Remember, beauty lives in balance, not perfection. Anna too did not follow any rules. She simply placed what she loved. That's what made her wreath so warm. It scared her heart. When Anna hung her wreath on the old door walls, the little daughter said, "Mommy, it looks like a crown for our home." Anna smiled, her eyes shining with joy. That moment reminded her Christmas is not about what you buy, it's about what you make with love. Now it's time to give our wreath its final charm. Use all ribbons, lace, or twine to create a bow on top. If you like sparkles, sprinkle a little glitter on. Use metallic paper cutouts. You can even hang teeny paper stars or jingle bell, just enough to make it shine softly. One light touches it. Take a step back, look at your creation, and feel proud. This wreath tells you a story that Christmas and our neighbors saw her wreath and fell in love with its beauty. The two began making their own, each one different but full of heart. The whole village sparkled with homemade decoration that winter. proof that joy multiplies when she shared. So when you make yourself your wreath, remember it's not just decoration, it's a symbol of love.